go. Ah! I'm ready to soar. Take my shoes off, take my socks off. Let's see. I don't know what to see. I have no idea what you'll be able to see. Am I the right way? Let's do it. Let's do some stretching. Let's go swing on. We did yesterday. We did live yesterday. All right, let's get down on the floor. I don't know if we can see it. Hopefully. We got the dandelions coming out. Dandelions. Now let's try to do the splits. I can't do the splits, but we're gonna try. We're gonna see how far we can go. Okay, that's as far as I can go. Man, I think last year I got down farther than that. Oh, okay, that's enough. Oh, oh, that's too much. All right, let's just do some steps. I'm just doing whatever comes naturally to me. All right, we got the trucker going. I guess we gotta say later thing, the legs. We gotta lay down to do the legs. I'll make it like a regiment whenever I get to it. If anybody wants to do this with me, let me know. Let me know. Let's lay right on the grass. Oh, I hear that in my back. Oh yeah, that. And do a couple sit-ups. These could tighten your stomach. I don't know. My stomach is already hurting. Okay. Oh, oh, there's a dude that's coming over here with his dog. Where is it? How are ya?